How to make money with Perplexity. Are you looking to turn your skills into cash right from your laptop? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Perplexity, a powerful tool that you can supercharge your income. Stay tuned because these types could change your financial game. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of Perplexity and how you can use it to boost your earnings. In the realm of natural language processing and information theory, Perplexity is a key metric used to evaluate the performance of probabilistic models, especially language models. It quantifies how well a model predicts a sequence of words, effectively measuring the model's uncertainty or confidence in its predictions. First things, what is Perplexity? It's a fantastic tool for enhancing productivity and creativity. Today we'll explore how you can leverage it to make money. First of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into perplexity.ai. As you can see, this is the home page. We have here OK. So all you have to do is just ask anything here and you get your answer. So let's ask example. So who is the best boy in the world? So let's know who he is to answers. Here we have sources. As you can see, we have various sources, one, two, three, and two more. Also have your pictures, search videos, generate images. We have also answers, greatly current contenders, historical context, and related. Also, as you can see, here we have home, discover, library, sign in. All you have to do is continue with Google or Apple or some SSO, or by clicking by putting your email here and get a message on your email and confirm it, then you end your sign up. Here we have Try Pro, as you can see. Also we have here other information like Pro. Here Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with unlimited Pro searches, upgrade AI models, unlimited file upload, image generation, and API upgraded. We have here standard, free one, unlimited quick searches, 5 Pro searches per day, standard Perplexity AI model, optimized for speed and quality, create a profile to personalize your answers. Here we have the professional way, the one, sorry, we have $20 dollars for each month, as you can see. Then we have your enterprise, help your team get further faster, boost your team's efficiency with the most powerful AI research assistant. We have also playground. So here we have, you can just ask anything you want, or if you want to help, all you have to do is get a conversation with Perplexity and you will be good by his answers. So also we have here blog, as you can see. Blog, we have pro sources upgraded for more advanced problem solving, research shapes our daily life. We use it to make informed decisions and solve problems, to innovate, learn, and grow. Here our Perplexity collaborates with Amazon Web Services to launch Enterprise Pro. Then we have bringing Perplexity to education and not for profit. Introducing Perplexity Page, Perplexity launches Enterprise Pro. Perplexity Pro is coming to all SK Telecom users, Perplexity partners with 11 labs to launch, also ARC and Perplexity. Perplexity raises Series B funding round, as you can see, and the various things. So here we have fake, as you can see, are frequently asked questions like what is perplexity, how does perplexity work, what is perplexity, and the various questions that can help you guys. So all you have to do is click over here and you get your answers. So what is perplexity? Here we have the answer, as you can see. Then we have here encyclopedia. Welcome to the Perplexity Encyclopedia, introducing a new era of knowledge collection and creation. There is always more to learn. Get started today. Here we have a lot of niches, captions, ideogram, Fidaye EO, video, aging, going EA, face, Ade, Korean, script, and various niches as you can see. Then we have cars here. We have here our mission, our values, current openness. All you have to do is click over the one you want and get more information about it. So here we have a lot of information. Then here you select the language you want. We select English, as you can see. We have here French, Standard, German, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, Spanish, Hindi. So let's give us one of the easiest ways to start earning with Perplexity. First, we have freelance services. You can just first of all identify your niche. Are you good at mention specific tasks? Perplexity helps with E.G, data analysis, content with writings, etc. Then create a profile, set up a professional profile on freelancing sites like Upwork or Fiverr. Make sure to highlight your skills and experience with Perplexity. Then showcase your work. Use Perplexity to create some simple projects. This will help potential clients also. The second method we have creating and selling digital. Another great way to make money is by creating and selling digital products using Perplexity. Here is how. First, develop your product. Use Perplexity to create ebooks, templates, or online courses. Set up an online store. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad are great for selling digital products. Then we have market your products. Use social media and email marketing to reach your audience. Third one, we have affiliate marketing. But we have affiliate marketing is another excellent way to make money with Perplexity. Join an affiliate program, sign up for Perplexity's affiliate program if they have one, or promote related products. Then create your valuable content, write blog posts, create videos or social media to share your affiliate link. We have also online courses and consulting by creating an online course or offer consulting services. So until you have it, four powerful ways to make money with Perplexity. Whether you choose freelance services, digital products, affiliate marketing, or online courses, there's plenty of opportunities out there. If you found this video helpful, so start earn money with Perplexity. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.